Okay, Kylie, Clem, maraming salamat. We're waiting for Francine to come in. Thank you for accepting the invitation to talk about the controversy. No, Kylie, just to straighten out the facts first, ano ba yung role mo sa event na to?
Ako po ay isang event organizer and then producer na din po. Bali, ako po yung nag-invite sa special guest po natin ng mga artists na si Francine and then Orange and Lemon para po sa event namin sa San Jose.
Okay. So, yung nangyaring yon, medyo nag-viral siya, no, Kylie, dahil nga nagkagulo, nagkaroon ng parang, I don't know if it's miscommunication or whatever, pero parang based sa video na nakita namin, si Clem and his bandmates are already starting to set up at parang nagsa-sound check na sila, no, sa stage nang biglang lumabas si Francine. Tapos parang yun na, doon na nag-viral kasi parang nagsasalita si Francine tapos si Clem nagtutugtog na ng gitara. It went super crazy already. And next thing we saw na lang ay nag-walk out na si Clem. This is just all based on the videos, okay? This is just all based on what we saw sa social media. Kylie, anong gusto mong sabihin bilang organizer?
Actually po, una-una po sa lahat, humingi po ako ng pasensya sa mga nangyari kasi po ito talaga po ay miscommunication lang po talaga lahat dahil sobrang dami na po na nangyari that time sa event. So lahat po kami talaga di po maiwasan namin may mga ganitong senaryo na nangyayari. Talagang sobrang pasensya na po talaga sa mga nangyari lahat. Um, Bali po, nag-meet po kami ni Orange and Lemon tsaka ni Francine. Then yung manager na din po ni Orange and Lemon and Francine. And then all goods na rin po kami lahat. Like kagabi po na nag-meet kami, nagpag-usapan po lahat. Nagkahingian ng pasensya sa mga nangyari kasi lahat naman po talaga mayroong mga, kaya po na sinabi ni Sir Clem, may mga lapses na rin po kami at lahat po ng meron din po talagang hindi na pagkaintindihan po.
Okay.
So pasensya na po talaga. Pero all goods naman po, don't worry po, napag-usapan na po namin.
Clem, I'll go to you, no? Parang nabanggit ni Kylie na you requested the meeting na mangyari, Clem? Totoo ba 'yun?
That's correct. Actually, the night after the show, when we wake up, everything exploded.
That's right.
So I wanna do gusto ko mag-damage control on the matter because it's getting out of hand. It's so fast. Social media is so fast.
Right.
I mean, I was receiving a lot of hate messages or mentions, and it's a little frustrating at the same time, stressful. Yeah, but I understand the gravity of the matter, so I asked for an audience first. Wala na kasi sila Francine.
Okay.
So lumipad na sila sa Manila. So I asked for an audience with the Vice Governor, with the LG, with Kylie, to clear the air.
Right.
So we can understand totally what happened, because what you see online, the videos, all the postings are mere speculations. There is no clear representation of what happened online. So kami lang ang nakakaalam, and we discussed it internally. And kaya, we never release any official statement because we do not want to fuel the fire.
Right.
We do not want more assumptions, more judgment from the masses, from music supporters or fans. So we do not want to further give confusion.
Okay.
So, but the thing is, we are all busy kasi. So
Right.
I have gigs, I travel a lot. Francine has tapings and all that.
Right.
So last night lang namin na-arrange yung meeting.
Okay. Ikaw na magkwento, Clem, no? From your lens, from your point of view, ano ang nangyari? What transpired last night?
Last night, of course, there was tension at first. But when I started the meeting, siyempre, I apologize for my actions. There was a lapse of judgment on my part because of that miscommunication na the fencing camps was requesting for her before I went upstage. That would never happen.
Okay.
Right? But everyone was tired. We were tired. We did a long trip, and there was pressure. The show was 2 hours
Mhm.
delayed. So, ang bilis ng pangyayari. Tapos medyo magulo sa backstage. So, things got out of hand and out of control. And so I started the meeting. I apologized for my behavior, and uh, I ex- I explained my side, and they explained their side. We found the root cause of the problem.
Okay.
It's miscommunication,
Okay.
even with the host, with our management team,
Mhm.
Francine's handler, the organizers. So hindi lang nagtugma-tugma yung communication.
Right, right. And pag
Yeah.
mga live events talaga, things happen eh.
Mhm.
Pag ganyan eh. Pero kamusta naman? Ano yung sinabi sa'yo ni Francine, Clem?
Well, she also apologized for what transpired. It was so fast.
Right.
So she was just doing what she think is she's supposed to do.
Okay.
Yeah. So no judgment on that.
Mhm.
Yun nga lang, nagkaroon lang ng misunderstanding
That's right.
on who's who on stage. So yeah, so ayun, it's a lesson learned for everyone.
Okay.
It's actually a good precedent for all concert producers, artists, yeah, to be careful when organizing an event.
Tama.
Because something like that could happen again.
So okay na kasi based sa mga photos, parang close na talaga kayo, Clem. Ni Francine, may mga photos na kayo na ganun kagabi.
Yeah. It was the meeting ended well, and we were talking about other things now, like future projects. There's
Totoo ba yan?
also talks about I mean about music, about her projects, about mine, and maybe we can work out something in the future.
Right.
So yeah, the air was really fun na.
Chin, ano na lang, kasi nakwento na ni Kylie and ni Clem kanina yung
Okay.
nangyayari, and Kylie already apologized, and said na it was really a miscommunication and lapses on all
Yes.
sides.
Yes.
Siguro, Chin, ano na lang yung gusto mong sabihin on your end?
Clearly, it's miscommunication and unorganized event. But okay naman po kami ni Sir Clem, also with my mom and si Ate Red Hair. Okay naman na po, nagkaayos naman na. Pero nag-sorry din po kay Sir Clem kasi at that time, I wasn't thinking properly. Wala sa right state of mind ako. And I should have acknowledged them. Pero yun nga po, because of intimidation, hindi ko alam anong gagawin ko. So, kinausap ko na lang yung audience. And kaya po ako nag-open mic is because para makapag-interact ako with them kahit naka+1 ako. But yeah, I hope maging, what was this word? Siguro maging, ito na yung peace or closure para sa lahat. Kasi okay naman na po sa amin. Sana ganun din sa lahat ng tao. Nag-apologize din po ako kay Sir Clem kasi kahit hindi ko po intention na mang-disrespect, ganun po yung nangyari. Ganun yung naging kalabasan. But nagkaintindihan naman na po kami and we're okay na po. I just hope na everyone will shut up na lang po and just move
Move on.
forward.
Ang ganda. All is well na. Actually, kanina, nung kausap namin si Clem, ang sabi niya, in fact daw, after nung meeting kahapon, parang pinag-uusapan nyo na daw, possible working together, ano ba?
Yes. He offered po, Sir Clem offered na parang kung meron akong gagawing songs in the future, pwede siyang magsulat for me. And kung meron akong sinusulat, pwede niyang mas ayusin pa yon. And ako rin po as my peace offering, in-invite ko po siya sa araw na isi-show yung first movie namin ni Seth. So, yun.
Okay.
Hi.
So, ang tanong ko ngayon, Chin and Clem, kailan ang next gig nyo together?
Kailan po ba, Sir Clem?
Well, we cannot divulge yet. It will be a surprise.
Ikaw ba, Clem, ay
But,
dadalo sa premiere night ng movie ni Francine?
if my schedule permits, why not? Yeah, I would like to see that. It's her debut film, so it would
Right.
be very interesting to see
Right.
firsthand.
And Chin, ready ka na bang mag-ask ng collaboration ng tugtog ng music with Clem?
Sobra po. At ako hindi naman po talaga ako singer. Masasabi ko po talaga hindi ako singer, but I would like to learn how to sing properly and paano ko ba masusulat. Kasi yun nga po kagabi na pag-usapan namin na, kasi Kuya MJ, di ba, remember, mahilig ako magsulat, but hindi
Right.
ng kanta. So sabi ni Sir Clem, okay lang yan, ako na lang mag-aayos kung meron man. So dun ako na-excite kasi it's a blessing in disguise.
Sobrang blessing in disguise. Kylie, ikaw na ang bahala kung kailan ng next event ng Orange and Lemons at ni Francine.
Yeah, sige po. Thank you po.
Looking forward to that.